Okay, so if you're looking to add some radiators into your magicplan model so that they can get transferred across into your h2x calculation model, you need to do the following things on the magicplan app once you've scanned all your rooms. So if you click onto the room that you're looking to add the radiator in, on the floor that you're looking to add it in as well, on the search bar, just type in radiator, hit search, and then select the wall-mounted radiator. You can then drag that wherever it might be in the property. So this one is under this window here. And then if you click onto show more info, in there you can set the width and the height, and you can take a note as to the type, and you can also add some photos for your own reference. That's K2 there. You then need to just do that in the rest of the rooms in the property. So in that hallway maybe, and then in the bedroom, wherever there's a radiator. You don't need to do it to account for underfloor heating, and you can just add that in H2X. So if I now go to our magicplan add in here, I upload that project. As usual, you have to map the floors and the rooms, but in this point, this is where you would set the radiator type. So K2, the rest of these are K2s as well. However, when I was doing the design, I've actually forgotten to add them in. That is how it will appear if you add the notes in. K2, 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 K2. Hit next. There's no chimneys to add in this one, so I just hit import. And you can see that those radiators have come in the locations that I set in H2X. Well, in magicplan, sorry. And you can see now that they are now overly satisfying the rooms, but if we add in a heat pump, you can see that those outputs are corrected to match the output of that heat pump in terms of its flow and return temperatures, doing the 50 DT conversion for each radiator.